Hello friends, now I will start my videos on Excel topic. So firstly I would like to discuss about some basics of Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program. It's a collection of rows and columns. The point where rows and columns meet is known as cell. So this is a cell and these are the rows and these are the columns, and by default there are three sheets. If you want to add some another sheets, you can simply click on this, and this is a formula bar and this is a menu bar. Whenever you write any formula, this formula will begin from equal. Likewise, if I'm going to type sum in bracket, this is a formula for sum. Also in Excel, if I'm writing 1, 2, then by selecting both of these numbers, you can simply click on this and extend this. This is known as autofill series. 2, 4, simply select and then click on this and extend this. Likewise, you can also write A, B, but you can see there is only AB and AB. Why is it so? So the answer is you can create your own custom list from Excel options. You have to go edit custom list and simply you can write A, B, C, D, E and just click on OK, OK. And if you will write A and will extend this, you can find then that there is a list that will begin from A and end at E. So this is some of the basic rules of Excel. Likewise, if I talk about some basic formulas like now sorry equal now, this will return the current date and time formatted as a date and time. Simply you have to click on this and then enter. You will find current date and time is equal to today. Open, close and enter. You will see here only the date. So this is all about the basics of Excel. I would like to upload some more interesting videos on Excel soon. Thanks.